From DoneRight Management, we are at Silverpine Hideaway upstairs in the loft bedroom. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the television that's up here, Entertainment Center. So we have a Sony TV coupled with a cable one, as well as an Xbox One X right down here. Just in case you guys need to, and for some reason, if you have to, the cable one box is located right back here. And so you can see it's hanging out here. It's got the green light. That means it's active and on. Just so that you have an idea. Here's the remote. Input is going to allow you to change. So that's on game. It's HDMI 3 set to the game, which is the Xbox One. Cable, HDMI 4. Cable 1. And we'll go back to that. So there's the Xbox. It's also a Blu-ray DVD player. So DVDs are down here. So this is a smart enabled TV. So if you push the home button, you have the ability to access Netflix, Prime, YouTube. You need to use your own account information to log in. And so if you have those details, you can put them in. There's free stuff that you can watch as well. Or there's paid for items. Up to you. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.